This is part of Wayne's, I don't know what I'm doing piece, but I'm going to try to install a humidifier here for the whole house. So I've used my Dremel to cut through most of it, although because it's got this collar, it's a separate piece. I'll probably have to do some tin snips or something on the inside. We'll have to see what that looks like. But now I'm going to try to pull it open and get this panel down. Cut the hole and I sized in the box here. I'm going to have to move the vacuum line out of the way so that the fan fits on it. But it's pretty good. I also installed a bottom brace here since this baffle's here and it was slightly over, so the shake, it should still be able to go with any shake from the furnace itself. That's enough clearance here. I had to cut the baffle here, but I'm about to put some metal tape all along the inside of it and outside to seal it. And I'm just pushing it back in a little bit to get it to sit vertical. But this bottom brace, because of the baffle, it goes underneath to hold it up, so it's securely up against the top now. But I have it just above the cooling, but it should work out because mine splits into a T directly above it, and so without having to install it on the return, this way it still keeps it directly on the path up unless humidity is going through the whole system. So I've got the humidifier up, and now I've run the hot water line up and along over and down to the hot water pipe off one of my water heaters. And on this, I've got the saddle clamp attached, but I've tightened it down, but I haven't punctured it yet, as I'm going to wait until I make sure I tighten the rest of the bolts down. But I've got it run across, pretty straightforward. Hopefully I don't leak. So now I've installed my drain line. So drain line tubing coming off and down, and just have it running right over and then following the drain line from the AC all the way down the back and along the floor to the drain. Now I'm going to mount the actual humidifier's control on the cold air return, or the return duct. That way it'll sense it right here what the humidity is from what the cold air is, and we'll go from there. Cool. Alright, so I am finished. I didn't use any of the nice clips for the wiring. I basically just used more of the tape because I have a bunch of it. I may go back and add some clips, but I tied it into the EAC on my furnace. And so I have one wire coming out down here into the box, the other one going along here, up over into the humidifier. Both are going down into the control box, onto the AC, into the relay. And as it's running, you can actually see the water that is excess coming through the line. So you don't see any leaks, which is nice, coming out of the hot water. And you can definitely feel the hot water on the copper all the way across. Heat coming through this is nice, so that should help it go into to humidify easier. Here you can see, again, the water coming out, it's going through the relay. Fairly warm from the hot water. And the fan should be blowing in. Can't tell as much on that, whether the fan's coming in or not, but it's all plugged in, so it should be running. So hopefully we'll see how the humidity turns out in the long run.